Hello, dear traders. This is Alexander Gurchik, the president of the company Gurchik and Company, and today it's our Monday analysis. But today we're going to talk about the stocks, not the currency pairs. Previous Monday we had a currency pairs. Next Tuesday we'll have currency pairs. Today we have analysis of the stock market. Today we're going to have a little bit of a different, kind of unusual analysis. We're going to go for the homework with the levels basically that's been produced by the stocks. So I'll show to you which one. The most important thing, what I want to let you know about it, the company, our company, Gurchik and Company, starting end of the March, the competition among the demo traders. But if you win that competition, you can get the real money on a team account. What's the rules of the competition? There's a $55,000 among 55 demo traders. So you have to show a good performance in a demo account, and then you'll have a chance to get $1,000 and a team account, real $1,000. So basically, if you have what it takes, if you consider yourself a good trader, register with our company, and you have all the chances to win on demo, to win a real money on the real account. All the rules you can find in the company Gurchik and Company, all the rules and explanation about our competition. So today we're going to start about some stocks. I'll show to you which one I like and why I like, and you can make a decision if you like it as well. So that's how we're going to start. All right, dear guys, we have today, that's the company stock. It's called ALK. If you're going to take a look at the left-hand up corner, you'll see the name of the stock is ALK, the symbol stock ALK. As you can see, there is a very strong level at the top right of the position for that level, 94.71. And the most important thing is you can see it was a limit seller on this particular stock. Stock couldn't go higher at 94.71. So the job is today to find out what's going to be. Usually this kind of companies, this kind of formation, I would say, usually they ending up with the big impulse right after 94.71, or in a lot of times it's finishing with the false breakout. So you have to watch out. If after 94.71 the stock is not going to move higher and it's going to pull back to 94.71, we can have a very strong false breakout on this particular stock. Very important thing, watch out how it's going to be, how fast the impulse is going to be. Since it's the all-time high, there's a totally different buyers and sellers. There's it's supposed to be a lot of short covers. So in this case scenario, we have to watch out how's the price is going to react on the move. The next stock, the name of the company is ALNY. Take a look. What's the interesting about the stock? As you can see, 38.96, it's called mirror level. What's the mirror level? The resistance becomes the support in this case. So this is a very strong level, especially after the gap. Very interesting situation here. Basically a bar closing down below the level, pretty much like right here. It's coming back. It's doing a false breakout, but most important thing, it stays right below resistance level. Very important thing, what's the price is going to be today and how the stock is going to behave. If we're going to manage today to close below 38.96, then the stock has all the chances to go to back here to 32.75 and probably even lower. But if the stock is going to manage to close above 38.96, then the stock has all the chances probably to go to $43, $44 a share. Very important thing for us when we trade this kind of stock is to see where we're closing the high bar or low bar, and to see where basically we are going. That's the very important thing. Next one, what we have, very interesting case scenario, AWI. The name of the stock is AWI. Very important thing is you can see right here, we have, everybody call it in the industry, it's called triangle. So as you can see, it looks like somebody is trying to buy the stock right next to level 39.85. There's a very strong level of $40 a share. Take a look. Basically, there was a very strong level before, very strong level here, very strong level here, very strong level here. So 39.85, around $40 a share. It's a very strong level for this particular stock. Very important thing right now is to wait. It looks like it's going to be breakout above $40 a share. Stock can have impulse and we can go much higher, probably back to $42 a share. You got to watch out usually with a scenario like this. What kind of impulse do we have? I mean, is there going to be a move right away? or if it's going to be false breakout. But the most important thing, you have to have this particular stocks and a list and watch out what exactly are they doing. That's the very important thing. The name of the company is AWI. Next stock, everybody knows it. It's a Boeing, the plane maker. So take a look at this particular company. We had a high before, way before, then we basically we're not pulling back. As you can see, this is a very strong stock, very strong stock. Looks like the stock is going much higher because after all-time high, the stock just pulled back just a little, got some energy, and looks like it's going higher. So we have all the chances today. The only one thing which is basically skeptical about it is that we had a small false breakout right here. So for us, very important thing is to see what's going on today or probably tomorrow, what's going to be in the market. I mean, obviously you should understand if the tone of the market is going to be short, then the stock has all the chances to go lower. But if the tone of the market is going to be consider taking a new president and consider that everything is fine with the country, is going to be a very positive. The stock can basically break easily 155, 160, and just fly higher. Where it's going to go, nobody knows, because the stock is right now at the all-time high, and nobody knows where it's going to go. The next one, very interesting scenario, very interesting. The name of the company is BMY. BMY, that's the symbol. Take a look. This is the low side of the range, very low side of the range. Then the stock pulled back, and right now we had a gap with the low side of the range, or the gap side, right there at the level. What we had a small falls. I mean, we broke down, but we came back totally. So very important thing today is to watch out this particular stock, what's going to be with that. If there is a possibility, I tell you my case scenario. I think personally the stock is going to pull back. The stock is going to go down. It's not going to pull back. If it's going to break 49.23, it has all the chances to go much lower because, there's a gap side and somebody is trying to support this particular stock. But I doubt they're going to have a lot of energy to support this particular stock. So I would bet on it that the stock would probably break 49.23 and go lower from this level. But if basically this level is going to get sustained, and today we're going to open above 49.23 and stay above 49.23, we basically might count for a little pullback for next few dollars. But as I said, I mentioned to you my opinion, and I would state for it. So the very important thing is to see what stock will trade today, and then we're going to see what's going on. The next company, it's a CNC. Take a look at the CNC. We had the price of the 63.31. That's where the level came from. 1, 2. That's the price of the stock. Very important thing. Take a look. 63.31, 63.31. Right here we have right now. We are ready probably for the breakout. So the very important thing is what's going to be with the market in general. As I said, the market is going to help overall. Then the stock has all the chances to go higher. And if it's not, we're probably going to go lower. But the very important thing is to wait what's going to be. If there's going to be one more bar below 63.31, if it's going to stay below 63.31, then we're going to have a chance to pull back. If the price is going to be break up high from to the upside above 63.31, then the stock has a chance. But for now, we definitely have a plenty of energy to push the stock higher and a plenty of energy to pull the stock lower. So the very important thing is where we trading. A lot of times people who's watching my videos, they can say, it doesn't take any brainer to figure it out. You're saying below line we sell, above we buy. Absolutely, that's exactly how you trade. For me, the most important thing is to see the scenario in the stock, how basically the stock behave itself. If the company basically, for me to do an understandable job, for example, false breakout or a breakout or anything else, and I do understand what's going on, I would definitely hold the position. So for me, the most important thing is to watch out how the stock behave itself, how's the price behave. Very interesting scenario, another one, CTAS. CTAS, the name of the stock. As you see, there was a very strong level of 113.88. Take a look right here, a gap side, then basically a very strong level and touch of a candle. So what do we have right now? We had a last 4 days. We stay right above the level. Cannot go any lower. We're staying above the level. And a very important thing, we cannot go any lower, but we cannot go any higher. So we definitely have to watch out what's going on. If the prices stay above, there is a chance to go higher. But most important thing, if the price is going to go below 113.88, it's going to be a very good short position. I'll explain for you why. Take a look of all of the stocks which has been accumulated above 113.88. All of these guys will put the stop order right here to the low side of the gap. So most likely, if somebody is going to try to break the stock lower to basically sell the stock is going to go much lower. But at least, as I said, if this move is going to get generated, why this move will be generated. So below 113.88, 113, there's definitely a sell for this particular stock. Okay, and we'll go to the next one. Yes, this one. We're going to go to the last one. The stock that I like it a lot, MCHP. Take a look. It was very strong level of 66.93. Very strong level of 66.93. We touched the level. We basically touched the level. We tried the level. Then we have a false breakout against the level. But the most important thing, once we had a false breakout, we did not go lower from it. And right away, we broke all-time high right here. I'm not talking about this particular price, but we're talking about the high range. We broke it and we stay right above 66.93. So the very important thing, we stay right above the level. Usually when the price stay above the level, that's a very good sign. So yesterday, on Friday, the stock has enough energy to survive and to basically close above the high range. My dear friends, as I said to you before, again, it's been Alexander Gurchik. And one more time, at the end of the March, we're going to have a very big competition. The traders from all over the world will already have registration probably from 15 to 20 different countries because, this is a big chance for you guys. You can win $1,000 in a team account under certain circumstances if you can show a good results on the demo account. So what do you need? You need a demo account with a Gurchik company. You need to show great results in the demo trading, and you'll have a $1,000 in the team account. $55,000 among 55 traders. And the very important thing, you don't risk a penny of your own money. Get registered, stay with us, make money with us. It's been Alexander Gurchik. All the best.